Hello and welcome to Amethyst Star Crafting. My name is Jane Ormark and I'm a UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. And we're looking at way back whens. So it's August, it's holiday time, most people are on their holidays and things. So I thought I would do a way back when and show you some old things during celebration. We're in celebration at the moment, which means that you can earn things for free. These are old celebration ones and they're the wooden stamps. I used to love wooden stamps, and this is a lovely one because it's very masculine. So I thought I would do a card with that just to sort of show you some of the ideas that you can do with different things. So we've got a guitar. I think we'll have the guitar. We've got the Converse trainers and we've got some headphones, and then we're going to have You're Awesome because I quite like that. There's some splots to tie it all in. We might use them, we might not, I'm not sure. We're going to be doing it in Memento because we're colouring it in blends or alcohol markers, and I'm going to put my guitar just up on here like that. Okay, so that's the guitar. I'm going to put the sentiment in because then I can work out on where I'm going to put it, which is You're Awesome. So we'll have that sort of, let's have it about there, like that, You're Awesome. Then we'll have the trainers. Make a good teenage card as well, actually, or just somebody who likes that sort of stuff. So this is sort of doing the rule of three. So we're having three things and the sentiment, and we're just sort of putting them randomly around so that it can come. Now you can obviously do this with anything that you want, and I've got that over at an angle. So you've got your triangle. When you're working with things, try and put your sentiment as the center, and then you've got a triangle round it. It balances it quite well. So I will clean those off later so that we can carry on and do what we're going to do, and it's not going to be too long because these hopefully are just going to be quick little videos. I'm using Starry Sky because it's going to be a masculine card, so again, mix and match your old with your new. So it's going to go like that, and then I'm just going to do some colouring with some blends. Now I've got a variety of different things. I've got some Stampin' Up ones, I've got some contraband ones, I've got different sort of colours and things, and I think I'm going to do the trainers. I think I'm going to do in the, let's do it in this blue. I quite like that blue. So we're just going to take this up. Good thing about alcohol markers is that they're very good for colouring in because they give a really good definition. I'm being quiet because I'm trying to work out where my laces go. We always have white toes on Converse, so I need to, I think that that'll do like that. So that's my white top. This can come in like this, and then we'll take it up on this side around where the laces are. I'm going quiet again. You can tell when you're colouring, it's that sort of quiet moment, isn't it? Where you can just sort of sit and relax a bit. And I'm not overly fussing myself with it. I'll have the tongue in the blue as well. So it's sort of a denim-y blue type feel. just trying to take in where the laces come in on there. Then I need to look on here to just make sure that I put it in the right sort of bit where the laces are, just like that. Okay, and then if I wanted to, I could use the dark to just have a little bit of a shadow in on there. Not quite sure where I really want to put a bit of a shadow, but probably just maybe just in on this bit down in on here between the two of them, so it gives just that little bit of shadow coming through. Maybe just in on the bottom, and then we could just do a little bit in on the side there. Okay, so that just gives it a little bit. Now you can blend it in again. I'm not going to on this one. So that's quite nice. That's given it a sort of a denim-y type blue. The guitar. Do I keep it all in the blues? I might keep it all in the blues, so I'm going to do the guitar in the darker, because I want that sort of colour. As I say, it looks quite a nice sort of denim-y blue, so I think that that'll work quite well. And then I can probably take another one to just bring it in, but as I say, you know, have a look in your stamps and see what you've got. I really like this. Going back and looking, it's amazing how much we have that we don't actually use, and they're sitting in on our shelf and we don't get around to using them. So that's there. Now I need that to be in, I could have the fret in the pale blue, couldn't I? Let's have the fret in the pale blue. Take it up this way. There we go. So that's the guitar. And then we've got the headphones. So I'm going to do the headphones in the pale. Is that the pale or is that the dark? I think that's the dark, never mind. Dark is a little bit darker than I'd like, but we'll have some, we will have a bit of definition in on here, so I'm going to just colour them all in, and then we'll have a bit of definition with another colour. So let me have a look and see what I've got. I've got this sort of greeny blue. Let's try that in the dark and see if I can get some colouring in on here. Yes, I can. So it's quite nice doubling up with colours. And then we've got this, which is the sort of metal part, but again it can be coloured in, so that works on there. I'm going to take this for the frets on here. I want them to be slightly different coloured. Those bits are fine. I'm going to do this bit in here as well, actually. Just having a little bit of extra colouring on there. Now, then we've got You Are Awesome. So if I put this on here, that's given you a very quick, very simple, very easy. All we're doing is a bit of colouring, and we've done it in threes. So it's say an old stamp set. I'm doing a bit of way back when, and that splat, tying things in together, because we've got this in the starry sky and we've used different colours, let's use this to just bring things together. So if you want to try and bring your colours and things in together, let me find the Starry Sky. Have I got it out? I think I must have it. Oh yes, I've already got it out on my desk. Thought I might have had it out. So just to make sure that we can bring things in together, this is just a bit of splatter. So I am going to take it on the back so I can just do it in we can have it with different strengths, so you've got different colours sort of coming in like that. I think that that works fine. Do I want any more? Might just have one little one down at the bottom here, just coming off like that. Okay, so if I then turn that so that it's going to come into the card where we want it, you've then picked up your colour from the back, tied it all in, and you've made a really nice, very simple, very easy card for a guy or a teenager or somebody who's into music. So I hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing some more from some of the old sets just during the month of August, while everybody's sort of all on their holidays and things, and not thinking about you know, stamping too much, but just wanting to enjoy something and maybe looking at some of our older sets. So as always, please stay safe and well, please be kind, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.